New at 10, you're taking a look at Huntsville police officer William Darby entering the courtroom for the first day of his murder trial. Today's events wrapped up earlier than expected as the prosecution presented its evidence, called witnesses, and rested its case in just a few hours. Darby claims he was in fear for his life and the lives of other officers when he shot and killed Jeffrey Parker, a suicidal man, in April of 2018. An internal investigation by the Huntsville Police Department found that Darby did nothing wrong. But after the case was handed over to the district attorney's office, Darby was indicted by a grand jury. Way 31's Megan Reyna joins us live outside the Madison County Courthouse with more on the evidence presented today. Megan?
Opening statements were made and the prosecutors began calling witnesses, but the majority of the time was spent on one witness, a former HPD officer who arrived first to the scene that night. Opening statements, a prosecutor painted the image that William Darby cannot claim self-defense. He said Darby was the aggressor, not Jeffrey Parker. However, Darby's defense arguing he's not a murderer, describing the shooting as suicide by cop. He said Darby took control of the situation and it was a justifiable homicide. Body camera footage played in the courtroom Tuesday showing the moments leading up to Parker's death. Following the footage was a testimony by former officer Ganesha Pegues. Pegues entered the home to find Parker sitting with a gun. Pegues said she was talking with Parker when Darby arrived with a shotgun and began yelling at Parker to drop his gun. Darby told Pegues to point her gun at Parker, all while she says Parker remained calm and kept his gun pointed at his own head. She then told Parker to lower his weapon. That's when she said seconds later Darby shot Parker in the face. Prosecution cross-examined Pegues. The attorney pointed out Pegues did not follow Huntsville police protocol since she was not pointing her weapon at Parker. She claimed she was trying to de-escalate the situation and did not feel as if her life was threatened. Another witness called Tuesday was Joshua Vogel, a former Huntsville police detective. He led Darby's officer-involved shooting investigation. He said there was no evidence that Parker did anything aggressive. The defense attorney asked him about imminent danger and HPD policy. Vogel said Parker would be a danger to officers, but did not use the word imminent. The defense is expected to begin presenting their case tomorrow morning at 8:30. It's likely that we will hear from Officer William Darby himself. Reporting live in downtown Huntsville, Megan Reyna, Way 31 News.